Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the Macaulay's Minutes. It's a topic of contemporary India and it's a topic for B.Ed, DLED, JBT and the various graduation courses. Even it's a part of the history of SST subject, social science subject also. We will discuss about its features and recommendation. I already told you in my previous video. We will start the topic from the introduction only. First of all, the introduction. Who was the Lord Macaulay? We have to introduce him first of all. Then we will write the features and recommendation. First of all, the introduction. Lord Macaulay, who was the supporter of the English education only, on 2nd Feb 1835, he presented his points or minutes in which he proposed to make English medium of education and supported Western education. According to him, what he said in his minutes, we want a class of a person, India in a blood and color, but English in taste, opinions, morals and in intellect. This was the introduction. Now the main features of the Macaulay Minutes. First feature was meaning of the word literature. See, according to the Charter Act of 1813, talks about revival and improvement of literature. But it is silent about what literature it would be. And this gave rise to Oriental Occidental controversy, the famous controversy at that time. Second, Indian scholar. According to the Charter Act of 1813, Indian scholars will be promoted. But there were the differences regarding also. Macaulay defined Indian scholar as someone who have studied Locke's philosophy, poetry of Milton, etc. Only emphasized on English literature. Third, medium of instruction. I already told you he only stressed on the English language only. English medium of instruction should be English for the Indian people. He believed that popular Indian languages were incomplete and incapable, and there were the hindrance in the scientific progress also. Fourth is a repudiate of Orientalist idea. See, Lord Macaulay was an opponent of Orientalist ideas. He believed that for the development of Indian people, the ideology must be thrown away. He was not in favor of providing grants and aids to the Oriental institutes. Fifth was the objectives of education. Lord Macaulay believed that Indian people should be provoked such an education which would improve their condition. He argumented that it is a duty of the British government to provide education to Indian people for their benefit. Next, sixth is the importance of English. Lord Macaulay was a product of such a time when English was ruling all over the world. The British popularized their language and literature throughout the world. And seventh, views regarding Indian literature. Lord Macaulay said a single shelf of good European library was worth the whole native literature of India and Arabia. About Sanskrit language, he said that we will teach language and science which is of lowest cost. See, he said that their history talks about the kinds of 30 feet high and their geography talks about rivers, ocean of milk and butter. Thus, Macaulay criticized Indian literature and culture. Code of law. Next is eighth is code of law. Lord Macaulay was not in favor that Hindu and Islamic law should be taught in Sanskrit, Persian or Arabian. according to him, was foolishness. He said that in such Sanskrit, Persian, and Arabic books should be translated in English and then it should be taught. Ninth verse, utilization of grant. Macaulay gave practical suggestion for utilization of money reserved for education. He suggested that the aim of the British government was to popularize Western literature and science. So all the grants should be spent on education. And next, 10th was the religious concept. Macaulay was a very secular person. He was not in the favor of interfering in the religion of Indian people. He said that to make English medium of instruction does not mean hurting the religion's sentiments of the people. See, the main aim of this is to provide education of exact history, geography, and science. At last, but not the least, last is the filtration theory. Due to the lack of financial grants, Macaulay put forward filtration theory. He said government has lack of finances, so it is very difficult to provide education to general people, general public. Therefore, the government will provide education to only selected classes of the people. This is all about the Macaulay's theory, and students, don't forget to write the conclusion at the last. And for more videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Kindly like and share my channel as well. Thank you.